Hey guys, welcome to Titanium Man Garage, and today I'm going over the 4x4 on this Polaris Sportsman. What I've got going on is all three wheels spin, and the fourth one doesn't. And as you can see how glossy that is, I started filling the hub fluid because there's a Hilliard clutch in there. There's also a magnetic coil, and for some reason, if there's something messed up in there, it's not going to grab, or if it's worn out. First thing I like to do is throw a little hub fluid in there. I use synthetic ATF and pull this out. And what I did was, as you can see in the bucket, I already drained it. Wasn't a whole lot in there. If these hubs are low on fluid, the four-wheel drive does not engage. I do not have a funnel with me, so this is going to be a sloppy mess, but I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little in there. So this side works. And you fill it up about halfway. And when you turn it at about 3 or 4 o'clock and a little dumps out, you know you're full. I'm going to add a little more. So I'm going to continue filling that up. I'm going to lift the back tires off the ground, put it in four-wheel drive, and see if I can't get this bad boy to spin. So now if after filling the hub fluid, if this 4x4 doesn't work, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to go up to the wiring here. And this is for my right side, this is for my left side. This ground wire does not, sorry, this is for the right side, this is for the left side. This ground wire does not look that great. I might add another ground wire up here to the frame. Right here, your brown and white. I'll put a wire there attached to the frame. Most of the times it's a ground wire or ground issue. If it's not that, it could be your Hilliard clutch just chewed up, a little fluid, or possibly the magnetic coil is bad, but the clutch would be bad first, and that would chew up the magnetic coil. A couple things to keep in mind. I'm going to go through this, and maybe I can get this thing to fire and spin. All right, so I got jacked up in the air. This tire's not spinning after filling the hub fluid. See, that's turning. And now this tire isn't spinning. So now I'm wondering, because I moved those wires, I'm thinking it's a ground issue. So I'm going to add a ground up there. So I'm going to add a ground wire to here to the frame and see if that corrects my problem. Usually that does. The fact that I had this tire spinning first and that one wasn't, and now both of them aren't spinning, tells me this is a wiring issue. So I hope this little tip helps you guys out. I'm going to get on this, add my ground wire, and I think that'll fix my problem. All right, guys, until next time.